Does anybody else just buy a lot of stuff thinking, I'm going to do DIYs with that, but then you have no idea what you're going to actually do? That's me. Hey everyone, it's Jess, and today I am bringing you a mostly fall haul because I figured August starts with AU, autumn starts with AU, might as well. So I went to Dollar Tree, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, and Walmart. I'm going to start with Michael's first. So let's just jump right in. So the first thing I'm showing you actually is not autumn related, but they're gorgeous. They're very tall, and these were actually on clearance because these were originally $60. I would not have paid $60 for this. I think I paid $20 and I bought two. I think they're gonna go above this fireplace behind me, so we will see about that when I finally, dive into actually decorating my house rather than just buying a lot of stuff and keeping it in piles. So where else is my Michael's bag? Okay, it's under everything else, so we'll go back to Michael's later. So let's go to Hobby Lobby because that's right next to me. So Hobby Lobby had all of their fall stuff 40% off, which is good because everything's overpriced. Yeah, I said it. So I bought two of these pumpkin picks, and these look really realistic actually, I feel. So I bought two of the bigger ones, two of the smaller ones in the same color. I bought two, because I buy everything in pairs for some reason, of these wicker pumpkins, which I really love. I don't know really what I'm doing with these. And then I bought two of the white ones, which look like this. I said that really oddly. Which, by the way, the white ones and the big orange ones were both $2.99. The little one was $1.99, and then these were $3.49. And I'm just tossing them. And then I thought this was so cute. It says welcome friends, and then I bought the same one with hello fall. These were both $3.99, but they were, like I said, everything was 40% off. They have a hanging thing, so you could hang these, but these are the only things I think I might have an idea for. So moving on, we also got two of these. You just have like acorns and leaves. It's actually really sturdy. Is that even focusing on that? I'm not sure. But that was $3.99. And that's all I bought at Michael's, or Hobby Lobby. Moving on to Walmart, because I only got one bag. I got mostly floral stuff everywhere I went. So I bought like 5 of these, 6 of these, but they're just these really soft green picks. I really don't know what to call them. Green lamb's ear, that's what they are. But they were 97 cents. So I was thinking either in a wreath or in like a floral arrangement, these would look really pretty for fall. So I bought like 5 of those, like I said. I have no shame. And then I bought, I think 2 or 3 of each of these. So like I said, this haul's gonna go pretty fast. And these were both 97 cents each. So these are a little bit better quality than the Dollar Tree ones, and they're a little bit more full. So this has a pumpkin and some pine cones and some other random things I don't really know. And then same with this, but this has a gourd And these are good in, like I said, floral arrangements, wreaths, anything really. But yeah, I bought like I think 3 or 4 of each of these ones, and they're 97 cents. So moving on. Moving on to, well, we'll go back to Michael's. This is really heavy. So I didn't buy that many things from Michael's. I bought this really cute suede headband though. It's in like a camel color, and this is gonna look so cute in fall. But anyways, I bought 3 of these because going up my steps I have hooks, and I was like, oh, that would be so cute to actually hang pictures, and I like the wood on them, and they were only $10 each. So that I think is really cheap for frames, because a lot of the frames I'm finding, a lot of the frames I am finding are like upwards of $30, $40, $50 each, and that is ridiculous. Like, I understand you use them and like they're good for basically ever unless you break them or you hate them later, but that's a lot of money. So moving on to Dollar Tree. I bought a good bit of stuff here. So sorry if you hear my dog. She decided to join us. So I bought several of each of these. They're just like, there's a green pumpkin. It's like a sagey color. And then a taller white pumpkin. Like I said, I brought several. Sorry, I bought several of each. Not really sure how many. So Dollar Tree also has Halloween things out right now. So I bought these pumpkin jack-o'-lantern stakes. They are glittery. You will need to spray them with a lot of hairspray. But I thought these would be really cute for some DIYs come October. These are something that's a really great deal if you can find them. They're just acorn decoration. And I mean, obviously everything's $1 because it's from Dollar Tree. But I bought a couple bags of these because every fall when they have them, I tend to buy a couple. I use them for many different things. So they come in handy and they're cute. And then they have these metal wreath hangers. And this is just in a brown color. It's not the most sturdy, but I don't think it's gonna actually break if you put a wreath on it. And it's a neutral color. I've not ever seen a neutral color one from Dollar Tree. So if it doesn't work, it was only $1. Those are just more acorns. I bought 5 packs of these, 4 packs of these. These are galvanized metal words. And I was like, okay, I can get down with that, especially for $1. I'm just gonna take them out for you. They say thankful, harvest, and welcome. So like I said, they're flimsy, but they would work so well for a DIY. So that is welcome. This is harvest. And then this is thankful. This is like in a Samantha font almost, if you know what that is. They are super pretty, and I cannot wait to use them in a DIY. Moving on. We got some more Halloween things in this bag. So I just have these glittered clip bats, which again will be really fun for a DIY in October. Lots of hairspray, and the glitter will not fall out. Sorry if I'm looking at the viewfinder rather than you, but yeah. And then I bought a little pack of 3 witch hat picks. Again, Halloween, it'll be fun. Just toss 1 or 2 in a vase with some flowers. And that is all that's in there. More acorns. And then this last bag is full of just some picks. So I got this one that has an orange sunflower with a pine cone and some leaves. I prefer picks when they're like this rather than like this. These little balls never stay on, so they tend to annoy me because they tend to fall off, and yeah. But I did buy one with the balls and the sunflower, so that's cute. Bought a couple of each of those, I think. This one, I think, is missing the sunflower. I don't know. So I bought this one. It has just some leaves and a pumpkin. This one just has leaves and a pine cone. And then I bought a couple of these pomegranates. They came out last fall with these as well. They just look really nice when you stick them in an arrangement. So I bought 2 colors. I bought more of an orangey red and more of a brownie yellow. But that's it. That comes to the end of my fall haul number 1 for crafts. So if you like this, give it a thumbs up. I am going to put this stuff away and hopefully figure out some stuff to do with it. I'm really excited about those pumpkins I got from Hobby Lobby. Those are probably my favorite things out of this haul besides the first big pictures I showed you. And yeah, so I will see you next time. Bye guys.